Lack of product visibility is one of the global challenges in the supply chain operations. Poor inventory management cannot optimize the supply chain. Inefficient warehouse operations cannot optimize the supply chain. To sum it all, lack of leadership is the missing link. Why we have poor inventory management system? Because we don't follow the rules to maintain the appropriate number of inventories and to maintain accuracy of our inventory records. We have to do real-time entry for inbound and outbound transactions for proper and updated documentation. We have to arrange our warehouse so we can conduct accurate cycle counting, which is done daily, to maintain the accuracy of your inventory record. And I will guarantee 100% accuracy if you do real-time entry for inbound and outbound transaction and monitor your physical transaction of products. You should not have overage or stock out, or you should not have missing inventories and variances. Inventory management, we should have the appropriate number of inventories inside the warehouse without missing and variances. We have to maintain the appropriate number and maintain the accuracy of our inventory report. Inefficient warehouse operation happens when productivity level falls to the standard. We have to improve productivity level inside the operation, particularly the distribution area. Train, motivate, and job rotate your people in different subsystems so they will be skilled in different areas of the operations. One employee can do more than one job. Develop our employees to be multi-task or multi-skilled. Train them, motivate them, and job rotate them in different subsystems of the supply chain so they know what each other's persons are doing, so they will know each other's job. Improve productivity by proper planning and scheduling of tasks among workers. Measure your performance by using the appropriate Key Performance Indicators or KPI. We can get that by identifying their key areas of responsibilities. To sum it all, in the supply chain operations, leadership is the critical link that should align to the operations. We have to develop a diverse workforce, motivated work teams who will work together to satisfy the customer requirements, which is the main goal of the supply chain. To satisfy the customer requirements at high speed and at low cost. Operate efficiently and effectively in the supply chain. Leadership, develop your interpersonal skills, your ability to motivate, ability to communicate, ability to empower and delegate work to your work teams. I hope these simple ideas will help you improve your logistics operation. Please visit my YouTube channel at Prof. Ray Dev. Thank you for watching and shukran.